Welcome to another episode of Jim's podcast. You can visit www.howtostudyforcpcexam.com for more info. In this episode, we will be reviewing a CPC exam practice package. This is useful if you are preparing for the medical coding certification and want to practice doing the CPC exam before the real exam. The number one reason why students fail the CPC exam on the first try is not having enough time to finish. The truth is, if you are about to go for the AAPC CPC certification exam, then one of the most important things you can do to help you pass the CPC exam on the first or next try is to do as much practice exams as possible. And you have to do it under conditions as if you're sitting in the exam hall. With that in mind, let's review a medical coding prep package designed to help you do just that, called the CPC Exam Package. First of all, what is it? The CPC Practice Exam Package is a digital download product designed to prepare you for the AAPC CPC exam by providing you with a practice exam modeled after the real CPC exam. It includes everything to help you recreate and analyze the CPC exam experience. If you're so inclined, you can even get a friend to pretend to be the exam proctor by following the instructions included in this package. Who is this product for? Browse any medical coding forums and you'll see a large percentage of exam takers just can't finish the exam in the allocated time. So if you want to make sure your time management strategies work during the exam, you'll need to practice. This product is laser targeted for medical coding students about to go for the AAPC CPC certification exam. That means no frills or unnecessary filler material to get you started simulating the real CPC exam. This exam package is for you, if you want to finish AAPC CPC exam with time to spare. Need to practice your time management strategies. Work on your coding speed and accuracy. Studying for medical coding certification. Tutoring or teaching other people to pass the CPC exam. Want to see what an actual CPC exam is like. Taking the CPC exam the first time. Retaking it after failing the CPC exam. Now let's talk about what is good about it and what can be improved. The CPC Practice Exam Package has no frills or unnecessary filler materials to get you started simulating the real CPC exam. It is really basic presentation-wise, but that is why the price is cheaper than most CPC practice exams you'll find out there. Instead of buying 2 or 3 full-blown CPC prep guides or program elsewhere, you can get a great CPC review program like this one, and use this as an additional and affordable practice exam. You get the full 150 CPC exam questions, with this separate answer sheet. What you don't get in other lesser practice exam products are the additional comments that are included here to explain the rationale of each answer in detail, plus additional exam tips and things to avoid. The comments read as if a CPC instructor is guiding you for each question. That is why the answer sheet runs for 45 pages of content. Aside from the questions and answers, the CPC Practice Exam Package includes a study and exam preparation guide. This is an additional 35 pages of well-written and extremely helpful information you need to do well in the CPC exam. These include general test-taking tips, things you should know about your CPT manuals, common anatomy terms, and knowing your prefixes, root words, and suffixes. You can use it as an excellent reference in your study and exam preparation, but it felt like a more expanded chapter on how to avoid common mistakes for the prefixes and suffixes would be more welcome than simply a list for reference. A great bonus that you won't be expecting in other practice exam packs are the included proctor-to-coder instructions and an actual Scantron test sheet that are used in the actual AAPC CPC exam. Why do we need the Scantron test sheet? If you're going to prepare, then it's best to eliminate all doubt and uncertainty up front. You get the upper hand as you already know how the answer grid is laid out. The exact words coming out of the proctor's mouth is also yours in the proctor-to-coder instructions, so you know what to expect. These are included so you know what to expect instead of fumbling around trying to understand the instructions come exam time. Consider the psychological advantage. Now, the final verdict. The CPC Practice Exam Package as a digital product comes as PDF files so you can download it immediately after payment. In the end, it's a very affordable CPC practice exam with a great answer sheet, study guide, and additional materials to help you maximize your chances of passing the exam and getting certified. If you'd like to check out the very special price, you can go to www.howtostudyforcpcexam.com and click on the CPC Practice Exam Package link. Thanks for listening. Until our next episode, you can visit www.howtostudyforcpcexam.com for more info.